Right here we're showing you our modern range hood. Angel's just finishing the assembly of our modern range hood kit. We got the same modern range hood kit over here, but this customer wanted around the corners. So your typical modern has a square corner. If you want to ask us to round the corners, we can either fully round it like we did here, or you can do a little quarter round radius at the ends if you just want a little bit of a curve. But I'm Wes. What are we looking at? 58, 26 inch tall, modern range hood with rounded corners. Rounded corner, what do you think?
It's interesting.
That's interesting.
I can see it.
We need to come up with a clever name now.
Yeah.
That is cool. That is cool. That is a modern with rounded corners right there. Jose, the assembler today. All right, here's an 8 foot tall, 4 foot wide modern range hood. She's up. Big one. Just a little. It's like a skyscraper here at Archways and Sailings. Check out this sexy hood, 48 inches wide, 67 3/4 in total height. So what we're seeing here is, we call that corbel legs, and then that's the range hood on top. So corbel legs, range hood on top. What does that look like? Well, it looks something like this. So this is us dry fitting it in our dry fit section. This is what we do before we flat pack it and ship it out. So cool little detail as we did an arch on the front apron there. And then the client liked the corbel leg option, but didn't want it to be solid all the way down because they wanted it to be open. So they tapered it back to 6 inches at the bottom there. Pretty cool little detail. All right, what do we got today? We got a beautiful looking hood. Little ramp, take a big jump off of it. No. So what we're looking at is we got a modern range hood. That's that square top. Customer added a little arch cutout for the front with these corbel legs detail. And then what we're seeing here is a slope ceiling. So the ceiling looks just like that. All right, check out this cool custom range hood. What we're seeing here is a modern range hood with an arch cut out in the front, little Tudor arch, with the corbel legs for niches to put whatever they want in there, like spices and stuff, whatnot. So what is that? That's 86 by 102. Oh, it's beautiful, huh? Here's that Tudor arch detail. See, inside it's left wide open, so you can mount your vent however you want inside there, where you want to mount it flush to the bottom or up inside a little bit. Try to leave it as open as much as possible so you can do whatever you need to do to get the look that you want. Alright, let's see what it looks like, see how well it turned out. Montage. This is what they used to look like. There's the hood right there. Look at that hood we built. Oh, yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Come on, show us the hood one more time. Here we go. There it is. Woo! Yeah, I'm blown away too, dude. All right, Mr. Snelling, on paper, everything looks so small on paper. Wide angle lens makes it look small, but when you get close, this thing is huge. 8 foot, roughly by 7 foot. Clay, this is looking cool, man. I better get good pictures of this before and after. I love it. All right, let me show you this cool range hood design we're working on today for Kiwi Weber Designs. They do some pretty cool designs. We've done a couple of range hoods now for them. Let me kind of go over what we're building today. So they designed a hood that's 43.5 wide, 35 tall. And what this traditionally is our modern with rounded corners. You'll see how we rounded the corners. And then they also had this cove at the top, which is pretty cool. All right. So we didn't install the coves. The coves are actually going to sit flush back to here. But I just wanted to kind of just set them there so you guys can get an idea of what that looks like, how cool that detail is. So when this is all done, smooth, all the way around. These little guides for a layout. See how that works? These little notches. A pretty cool little system we got here. And then anytime we do a new hood, detailed assembly instructions for our guys to make sure we build it right. We got a 76-inch wide by 71 inches tall, and it looks like this. This is our modern range hood kit on corbel legs, and what they did to the modern was they just rounded the corners. And so instead of having a nice sharp corner, they want it rounded. So no 90 degree. We've got these cool little niches here for their shelving or whatever they want to put in there, their spices. And then one cool little trick detail, they took the radius on the side and they put it on the front too, so we got this nice curve. Typically when they put a curve on the front of a range hood, it's usually just on the front apron there. But they ran it all the way to the back, which is going to create a cool look. That's it.
Like, whoa.
So what we're looking at here is our range hood making machine. The magic happens in here. It incubates for 9 months and then shoots this little guy out of the bottom.